I'm getting this from Walmart, my garland. This is cool. This is like plastic though. Oh, is it net or is it plastic? Oh. Yeah, I definitely need one of these. We should have had a Halloween wedding. We should have had a Halloween wedding. Me too. For the house, right? $29 for this is crazy. $8 for this is crazy. Bruh. Let's go this way. I need to. We should really do this. Like, we like, what's that movie? Harlem Nights. Look, you're gonna need this. See? Look. You might need that fedora too. Oh look, I said I was gonna be a hippie. Here we go. Here we go.
Oh, that's how people got their Beyonce outfits?
No, people made their stuff. Because they copied off the people. Go ahead, you could be MC Hammer. You getting in line, bro? I'm getting in line.
Incredible, you said?
It's like, I don't know why I made that noise. Hey dope boys and dope girls, welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday the 13th, October 13th, and I'm having a Halloween party tonight. Me and my husband, you know, he just deals with all my Halloween shenanigans because he knows I love Halloween so much. So he just be with all my shenanigans. So I said, we doing this, we celebrating every day, and he just with it. So I love that. But We haven't had a Halloween party since we've been adults. Like the last time I actually celebrated Halloween as an adult, like going out to a party dressing up, probably was like when I was 21 and I went to a Halloween party for my friends and I ended up being a ringmaster. But as an adult, I have been dressing up along the years, but it's just been for like because of my kids. So, you know, dressing up because we going trick-or-treating or having a party for them. They're actually having a party also. Like every year my kids have a party. Me and my sister kids, the cousin crew, they have a party. Like my family, my mom, I grew up loving Halloween. Like my mom, we would go to haunted houses, haunted hayrides, like parties. We would have go trick-or-treating. Like my mom, she loved Halloween, so that's probably where I get it from. She still do, like she do it with her grands too, so that's probably where I get it from. And then my sister, she loved Halloween too. So me, my mom, my sister, we don't expect others to understand our love for Halloween. Like we love Halloween, but yeah, and we celebrate like all month. Like my house is decorated. Well, that's for the party, but we just love Halloween. But yeah, tonight, me and my husband, we're having a party at our house. We just moved not too long ago. Actually, like, it's been 2 months now. So we moved like 2 months ago. We used to always host parties at our old house also. But I'm getting ready to finish doing what I'm doing, which is decorating. So my sister get here. She the one that's gonna really jazz it up. It's the scariest movie right now. All the scary movies are on TV. One thing about it, y'all, I'm gonna hang my projector. Let's see. Tubi, call me. Yeah, y'all, my sister is here. You know, I told y'all she was gonna come jazz it up. We still getting it together. I gotta change the batteries in it. It's like a real party. Little brownie. Take a shot, right?
Might as well. Just one. Ready still?
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Light. Where your mask?
We grab it.
No. Where you want to teach us how to play school? I'm about to make a drink real quick. Where my shoes? By the door?
I rolled that dirt.
Looking like I'm Jen.
I know, right?
No, you do. What up? Put that right there. Right, because I need a little bit of light. You got enough. It's not enough. She said it. She called the shot. Uncle Tony here, Ron. I know. I would never expected that. Well, you brought a little in. Want to take a shot? Oh, you want to drink?
I ain't drinking and driving like this motherfucker. I won't. Hell no.
Little in. Crazy. Oh yeah, y'all got food in the oven. If y'all want some real, what's that? If y'all want some real food, it's in the oven, like chicken and rice and stuff. You heard Uncle Tom?
Yeah, brownies I took 1.5 hour ago,
Y'all know what I mean.
and I don't feel nothing yet.
Come over here
So
and
I
take
think
some.
you're gonna be good.
Help yourself. You know it's my little cousin, Uncle Tony's son. Shut up. She on speaker. Uncle Tony.
Nah, I got
So y'all, as I told y'all, I was having a Halloween party today. You know, I'm a vlogger. I'm a hippie right now, but I'm gonna change my costume soon.
Go ahead and get that transport.
Just watch your mouth talking down in the south. I'ma let my nuts hang in the
Let's play Uno, y'all.
We play Uno. This
Is Jasmine making y'all play?
No, we do it, right? Y'all like it? Yeah, I like this game. This is fun. Yeah.
What is it? Y'all all knew how to play already?
No. Why now?
Like I can put on my used to the Lord. Sipping walking and shit on me. I'm feeling faint in my body is leaving. Seeing demons, I thought I was dreaming. God, like how you look.
Okay, say hi to my instant fan. He said hi.
Why y'all laughing? There's nothing funny about this.
Can y'all act the scene out or something?
Yeah, why?
Yeah, y'all have to ask.
How many of y'all ate a breakfast?
Are you serious? Yeah, we got a little tough.
No, but one was the scary, but she got looked tough. Who was the scary?
No, she looked tough.
Where's the money? Did Luther take the money?
Oh my God.
I got some fake money.
So did you take the money? Are you taking a video or a picture?
Video. Y'all gotta act like y'all about to go in the bank.
We about to go watch the movie so we can get an idea.
And she's so serious. We got to go watch the movie.
What scene?
Yeah, it's
We
all
have to do this.
Who's Frankie? Brittany. Brittany, that's the glasses you should have worn that Rashad gave you. That, oh, well, they look like those too. You got them?
I don't know where they at.
Sis. We'll find some. There you go, Britt. I don't know why we practice like we about to go film the show. Right? We just need to know for reference. Brittany, when they come up, press play.
We want the wig to be laid. It's not supposed to be.
What is given?
It's fine.
Put your glasses on.
Where are my glasses?
We gotta get your baby back. We gonna get your baby back.
Glasses what?
We gonna get your baby back.
Really, Brittany?
No, that's
No.
Frankie. We gonna get your baby. Oh, look, there we go. Don't move. Just be cool. Period.
Trying to see what's good.
Who's on fire? Huh? Wait, what's going on?
Yeah.
Those cars is huge. I'm just thinking. Do you see them over there?
That one on the couch?
Girl, done. Oh. But no, she had a long day though. Y'all had to work today?
I need a double dust though.
This is crazy.
Y'all want a blanket? Y'all want a blanket?